Job done.
I just want to come on here and tell y'all a lot has changed since the last video. I went ahead and put a new gas tank in it from a 89 Vanden Plas. I got these new seats. I put in a sound system. I had to change the master cylinder, the coolant temp sensor, and spark plug wires. And today we're going to do a little bit of R&R. Coolant problems, you know, getting on it too much with these weak coolant hoses. Also replaced this water pump. It was leaking from the little spout that was on top of it. But the hoses we're replacing today are the lower radiator hose, and there's one you can't see right here, but it runs under the intake manifold and it has a gash in it. I'll show you when I pull it out. But here are the seats. It's my crate I put in here yesterday. Yes, sir. And the Jaguar Holy Bible. Need that. Here's the boombox you motorized. Yes, sir. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get all my stuff and dive right into these coolant hoses. Here are the new coolant hoses. This is the lower radiator hose and the one that runs under the intake. This is the fuel rail I got off the 89, but I might put it in today, I might not, I don't know. It depends on how much time I got in the new fuel injectors. On the lower radiator hose, it's just that hose clamp right there. The one on the left. There's one down there. It's been about an hour and 30 minutes since the last video. This hose had a gash in it. No bueno. Alright, temperature is going up. Let's see what this thing talking about.
That a nigga made it at the south. Mine on the motherfucker.
Big Daddy. Up top, you got a couple 16 mils. 1, 2, 3, maybe one behind. Had to get over there and see.
Yes, that's me.
my niggas always at work. Got his car, music, get all that money and put it in the safe.
Crack another safe. We gon' make this money about everything, nigga. Crack another safe. We gon' be good, ballin' on no rainy days, nigga. Crack another safe. We gon' make this money about everything, nigga. Crack another safe. We gon' be good, ballin' on no rainy days, nigga. Woke up this morning feeling great, it's peanut butter crunch time, but I still feel the haterade. It's because I'm a serial killer on these tracks. I do my flips and turns in your local laundry man. Nothing like a from Japan, but from GA, we're the one.
Should have been filming, but as soon as I pulled this bolt out, the whole assembly came down. Keep that off the brake lines. So gotta take this thing apart while it's in here, because the same socket for the front struts is the same as in the back. An 11/16 deep socket, thin wall. Yes, sir. Had to put the Burnzomatic on that ass. Okay. That's probably what it was all day. What money? Bro. Damn. He can't even he's vlogging in, you feel me? That motherfucker there smoking, boy. You see, I'm really scared for my life because I got these spring compressors I got from AutoZone. I rented them for $55, but they said I can bring them back in 90 days. I don't think they're getting these back. But anyways, I'm taking this stuff off and putting it how I'll pull it off. If I would have knew that this came with a right here, one of those, I would have ordered some, but you know, too late now. I ain't pulling this shit out again, you feel me? Wheel going back on, and we're finna do the other side.
That's me.
I took the top off cause I'm about it. Riding around the S2000, niggas talking like they all about it. Don't keep 100, man, I keep it 1,000. Keep it 1,000 with my niggas. Keep it 100 to these bitches. Got the S2000 in the sticky. Play around, homie, you will end up missing. My nigga Alien, he got the 40. Got the top down and got the spoiler. My main bitch saying that I spoil her. Ducking cases, cause I got no lawyer. Dodging bitches that's trying to keep it 90. Shit, bitch, I was born in the 90s. Like Shy Guy, that's me, you gon' find me. In the S2000, yeah, you right behind me. Niggas mad cause we taking their pink slips. 811, yeah, we did this, get this. Money coming in, there's no other option. Why I keep it 100, my niggas keep it 1,000. I took the top off cause I'm about it. Riding around the S2000, niggas talking like they all about it. Don't keep 100, man, I keep it 1,000. I took the top off cause I'm about it. Riding around the S2000, niggas talking like they all about it. Don't keep 100, man, I keep it 1,000.
Gotta keep it 1K someday. You'll lose your life in this bitch, yeah. You only got one life in this bitch, yeah. Rolling up like twice in this bitch, yeah. You gotta keep it 1K.
On the driver's side, he come all the way out, and the one on the passenger side, you got the compressor springs while it's still in the wheel well. So I'll show you how to do this with a time lapse.
This is New Jack City. I got a new strap with me. When I be pulling up, they looking like, who that diddy? I always gotta keep it G2. Making heat like P2. Now everybody look at Mr. Me Too like me too. Yeah, genius with it, see me with it, top down. Kiss me with it, sticking to the code. OG, triple G, be with
I
it.
took the top off cause I'm about it. Riding around the S2000, niggas talking like they all about it. Don't keep 100, man, I keep it 1,000. I took the top off cause I'm about it. Riding around the S2000, niggas talking like they all about it.
When you finish, tighten them down evenly on both sides. Point them away from cars, you know. off into the abyss. And then I got a jack behind it just to be safe, if that will help. Rip. Hold this one on here like that. That's it. Got little grooves on it. Then you hold that one while you spin this one up top. Yeah. I ain't worried about these. The new one got one on it. Yeah. On my car, it has to go back a certain way because of the way it's angled right there. Yeah. So the bottom is straight. Then this side over here kind of dips off at the top on the driver's side. Had to learn that the hard way.
I took the top off cause I'm about it. Riding around in S2000. Niggas talking like they all about it. Don't keep 100, man, I keep it 1,000. Keep it 1,000 with my niggas. Keep it 100 to these bitches. Got the S2000 in the sticky. Play around, homie, you will end up missing.